Could you tell me something about your lights?
Definitely, ma'am. So basically, what we are looking at here is a new range, Marble Plus. This is a magnetic track light, which has multiple applications in your living room as well as your bedroom spaces. The biggest USP of this product is it's a 25 mm width track light, which makes it sleek in design. And in this, you get various options in terms of your diffuse lightings, your retro fittings, your linear lights, and spotlights. So this is basically a linear track light. It comes in 2 to 3 wattage differences. So this right here is the magnetic suspensions. So wherever on the track light you can put it, plug in. It has a high CRF and high lumen density.
Wow. मैंने काफी अलग टाइप के लाइट्स देखे यहाँ पे. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन नो मोर. कैन यू शो मी?
Definitely, ma'am. I'll just explore you through our gallery.
What is this?
So this right here, ma'am, is basically a new range. So Lafite has always been into the commercial segment, and now we have come up into a decorative range section with the name Laspia. So Laspia has come up with is a regal decorative range which we have come up with, and it has mostly inspiration taken from European designs. This right here is a thermolit product. It comes in because of its physical appearance. We have called it thermolit.
Okay.
It has various applications. Here, right here, you are seeing a vertical hanging pendant. This right here is a horizontal suspended pendant again. It can be used as a table lamp
Okay.
and a floor lamp. And this right here is a dimming option which is like feather touch. Like on the touch, I can dim it.
Okay.
It comes in 3 variants. This was a 30 wattage, this one is 35 watt, and this is 50 watt. Along with that, if you see the toughness of this glass, it's a hard glass. Coming with a 1-year warranty again. Let me explore some more pendant lines for you. So this right here, if you see, it's a circular pendant. It also comes with a linear option. So biggest selling point of this unique designing culture is it comes in a very customizable format. If you're looking for your living room spaces or your bedroom spaces, you can customize it as per your requirements. This linear track light can be customized to any geometrical figure. You want a rectangle, a square, a triangle, even any zigzag pattern. It comes with various fittings again. This is a retrofit, spots, another diffused lights, linear spots, and some lamps.
Okay.
The finish which you're looking right now is champagne gold. The biggest ease of access of this product is its plug and play feature. So in this track light, you can just plug it and utilize it any way. This is adjustable to any, and you can just plug and play as I said. Let me show you some more pendant lights, which is Lafite's blended collection. Let's see these new modern designs of European culture. A modern wall lamp, or you can say wall pendants. So what is the uniqueness about these designs is it's come in circular as well as linear collection. We call this one dark eclipse, if you can see, because of the ambience it creates, and these are like the light sabo. The biggest utilization of these kind of lightings would be in your bedroom environment. Nowadays people don't want to have a normal table lamp or something. This is something which is cool.
And you said it's called Eclipse?
Yes. In the linear series, I was saying we even have an option of a floor lamp, which goes on your wall, and it is tiltable option. And the best part about this setup is even you can use paddle buttons for this, right? Like this one right here.
Okay.
So this right here is a new product again in an outdoor range. It comes with a 3-direction spotlights, one here, one over here, and one here. And each section can be rotated as per the requirement. Here we have kept a pattern of 3 different directions. You can keep all 3 in one same direction. Then you can even tilt it upwards or downwards. This is basically to cover wide area in a single platform. That is another like with an infused model. Then we have in-ground lightings. Then we have spikes. This is Lafite's new outdoor range which we are coming up with. This again are the up and down lights and wall lights which we have come up with for the outdoor section, like for your gardens, for your landscapes which you want to have lights with unidirections. Again, things like on a lift peg. Some want to keep at the doors or gates. So these are apt for those locations. So now now everybody wants to have smart homes.
Yeah.
So we have come up with a new platinum range supported by Kasambi. The biggest difference between these and other is it has a very good smooth interface. I can select the light, switch it on at a single click, having a dimming option, check the color temperature from right from 2700K, 5000, 6000, 6500. And all our lighting solutions have one thing in common, being having human-centric approach. Because lighting is also an element which everybody needs to focus on.
Yeah.
That's what we believe, and we ensure that all our lighting solutions are human-centric. So now you might have seen it through an app. But what if this app is not user-friendly for some people? We have come up with a remote solution for the same as well, wherein you can switch it on through. You can group the lights as per the bedroom light or something, and give it numbers like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch it on at a finger touch. Change the temperature, and even switch it on, off, whatever you want to do, all at your fingertips.
Wow, I like it. It's something new. Hey guys, I'm Leslie Tripathi. I had a great time visiting Laffit Lights. You should follow them on Instagram and get these lights for your office, for your home, and wherever you want. Check them out on Laffit Lighting on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And this is Leslie Tripathi signing off. Check